Hello, and welcome to this sheet on subtraction of decimals. To work out the answer to the question, why wasn't the geometry teacher at school, all you need to do is find the answers and then put the corresponding letter into the correct space above. Let's have a look at the problems that we have today. The first one is 18 and 9/10 minus 13 and 4/10. The first thing we'll do is estimate an answer so that when we're finished we know if we're close or not and if we have a reasonable answer. So to estimate, we'll round 18 and 9/10 off to 19 and 13 and 4/10 off to 13. So the answer would be 19 take away 13 is 6. If our final answer is close to 6, then we have a reasonable answer. The next thing we're going to do is take away. So the most important thing with take away is to make sure that everything lines up in the correct column. That means that the tenths are under the tenths, the ones are under the ones, and the tens are under the tens. The easiest way to do this is to make sure that the decimals line up. They do. So we'll go ahead. 9/10 take away 4/10 is 5/10. Put down the decimal. 8 ones take away 3 ones is 5 ones. 110 take away 110 is nothing. So the correct answer is 5 and 5/10. This is close to 6, so this is a reasonable answer. 5 and 5/10 is here, so in that space we'll put the letter S. Let's have a look at the next one. We have 27 and 5/10 minus 16 and 3/10. The first thing we'll do is estimate to make sure that we have a reasonable answer. 27 and 5/10 rounds off to 28. 16 and 3/10 rounds off to 16. 28 minus 16 is 12. If our final answer is somewhere around 12, then that's a reasonable answer. Let's work it out. 5/10 take away 3/10 is 2/10. Put down the decimal. 7 ones take away 6 ones is 1 1. And 2 10s take away 1 10 is 1 10. The answer is 11 and 2/10. Up here, 11 and 2/10 is there, so we put in an S. Now let's have a look at one where we need to borrow. Number 8 says 49 and 2/10 minus 12 and 8/10. First of all, we'll do an estimation to see if we get a reasonable answer. 49 is close to 50. 12 is close to 10. So 50 take away 10 is 40. If our final answer is somewhere around 40, then we are correct. Remember, whenever you're estimating, you should be able to do it in your head. Now, for the takeaway. 2/10 take away 8/10. We don't have enough tenths to take away 8/10, so we will borrow 10/10 from the ones column, which gives us 12/10, and that will leave us with 8 ones. 12/10 take away 8/10 is 4/10. 8 ones take away 2 ones is 6 ones. And 4 10s take away 1 10 is 3 10s. 36 and 4/10. This is a reasonable answer. 36 and 4/10 is here. So we will put in the letter A. Why wasn't the geometry teacher at school? Finish the problems and find the answer. Good luck!